Soak the beans overnight with salt. Brown pork hocks on each side. Then set it aside. On the same pan, saute onion and tomatoes with olive oil. Then set it aside. This is now the beans that is being soaked overnight. Add water and the pork hocks and cook it for an hour over medium heat. After an hour, add carrots and water. Two hours have been passed. I have to add my sauteed tomatoes and onions, together with the spices to taste such as oregano, salt, and pepper. Water is needed, and I have to add my cabbage now. Cook for another 20 minutes.